Hello, I'm Chris Boudreaux with the Office of Homeland Security and Emergency Preparedness with Lafourche Parish Government. We've been working with U.S. Flood Control over a number of years. We started with them in 2008 for Hurricane Gustav and Hurricane Ike. We deployed them on some of our levees that were getting overtopped. It saved us a bunch of time and some money, and destroying levees, trying to haul sandbags on a levee, going back and forth with a machine, started damaging the levees. Where when we went in with them the first time, we was able to deploy them and work our way out without destroying the top of the levee and causing us more work trying to save what we're doing by traveling back and forth. So it was an excellent product for us to use at that time. They were easy to maintain, easy to fill, using the same waters that are flooding our area, putting them in the dams, in the tiger dams, to help control the flooding situations that we had. We're a coastal parish in Louisiana. We have the coastal erosion issues going on, high tides, the high water level rise that's going on that everybody's working on and getting in the subsidence. So we're getting the waters in from the Gulf more often, and it's making us put out more things than normal. We are making recommendations to other agencies for that to help them from putting sandbags out and then having to take them down, and half of the sandbags you lose. Then you got to go back and refill them and put them back out multiple times, and that'll cost you money because it takes a crew to make sandbags. It's not a two person job. Deploying the tubes, you can do it with two people or 4 people. It depends on the situation that you have on hand, to protect the agencies, the businesses, and the residential homes of the people in the parish. It helps 100% in time and money in deploying and saving areas.